You know, whenever we hear the term procrastination, we often associate it with laziness. Whereas more than half of the time, it's perfectionism. For me, I was so frustrated for the 2 weeks. I was not writing my scripts, I was not making videos, only because I was thinking that what is the point? I was thinking I am putting in so much effort, whereas the result I'm getting is not even half compared to the efforts I'm putting in. So I was frustrated and disappointed. And that is when I came across a beautiful story that goes something like, there was a person who used to bring 2 full buckets of water to a sage who lived on top of a hill. And now everything was beautiful. The place where the sage was beautiful, but the way towards that place was barren. It was steep, it was filled with pebbles and rocks and mud, and it was disgusting. But the guy kept on going every day until one day he noticed that I fill the buckets entirely with water, but by the time I reach, the bucket is not even filled half compared to the amount I filled it with. So he's frustrated, but he still keeps on doing that. Until one day the sage notices him and asks him that what is the problem? Why do you look so frustrated? So he told the sage that I bring you water every day with my buckets full, but by the time I reach you, the water is below half. The water's level is below half. So more than half of my effort is going to waste. What is the point? Why am I even doing this when it is going to waste? That is when the sage looked at him, smiled and told him that tomorrow when you come up again, keep the buckets down for a bit and look around. So next day he went, and when he was coming up, he kept the buckets down. He looked around and he was mesmerized by the beauty. The place used to be barren, steep, filled with rocks and pebbles and mud and dust. But now it was filled with beautiful trees, beautiful bushes, flowers, filled with birds and butterflies. And that is when the guy realized that none of our efforts ever go to waste. We think it is going to waste because we only look at it through the lens of perfection. We only focus on the goal. We only see if the result is coming out perfect or not. Thus, we overlook every other perspective, we overlook every other thing. Our presence blooms a lot more better flowers than our perfectionism. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful for all of you. Do watch the entire versions of these videos. The link to the video is in my bio. Bye bye, all the best.